Now let us discuss one more question. See this one. Statement is 1 upon x to power n plus 1, its integration. So whenever you find out integration of this type of statement, it is quite important. See this one. X is there, always contain a power 1. It is not more than 1. X to power n is there, n have any value, positive value in the form of natural number, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 10, maybe 20, maybe 50. So we solve here for n. In case of n power is there, the easiest method to solve this question is whatever the power he gives here is given power n reduced by 1. So it becomes n minus 1. So multiply and divide this statement with x to power n minus 1. See, x to power n minus 1 for multiplication, x to power n minus 1 along with x to power n plus 1 with division. Whatever the power given here, reduce by 1, after that multiplied with the same power and divided by the same power. See the benefit. It is x to power n plus 1 dx upon, these base are same, so power are added, it become x to power n, it is x to power n plus 1. Now let x to power n is equals to t derivative n x n minus 1 dx is equals to dt, x to power n minus 1 dx is equals to dt upon n. So replace this function, this one, by dt. It is dt by n, it is what? It is t, and it is t to power t plus 1. See this one. This is the statement now. X to power n replaced by t, x to power n plus 1 replaced by t plus 1 into dt along with 1 by n. This 1 by n is a constant, so it does not affect our result. Now two factors are there, t into t plus 1. So here we can apply two methods. If you want to go with the partial, you can go with the partial, or if you want to make a perfect square, you can make a perfect square. It is your choice. Now see here, the statement is changed into dt upon t into t plus 1. Let us simplify this statement with the help of partial. So it is a upon t plus b upon t plus 1. After LCM, it is a into t plus 1 plus b into t. Let t plus 1 is equals to 0, t is equals to minus 1. 1 is equals to a into 0 plus b into minus 1. So value of b is equals to minus 1. Let t is equals to 0, second factor. Now 1 is equals to a 0 plus 1 plus 0. Now what is the value of a here? A is equals to 1. Substitute the result here. Dt upon t into t plus 1 is equals to a 1 upon t minus b 1 upon t plus 1 along with dt, and go for integration. Now see, what is the integration? It is log of t minus log of t plus 1. And what is this? It is equals to log of t, it means x to power n, log m minus log n, log m upon n, x to power n plus 1 plus c. This is the integration of this part. Now we have one more, that is 1 upon n. So answer is equals to, means integration of dx upon x to power n plus 1 is equals to 1 upon n along with log of x to power n upon x to power n plus 1 plus c, constant of integration. Now see this one. This is a quite important question. There is a one more question which he gave in your book like that. Dx upon x into x to power 4 plus 1. go for integration. Now see this one, it is x to power 4, it is x to power 1. So in this case it should be multiply and divide by x to power 3. So be careful.